Let's make tteokbokki. This is a Korean street food that is usually made with rice cakes, but today we're making it with rice paper rolls. You start by layering about 3 rice paper rolls and then rolling them up like this and cutting it into smaller pieces. You also roll some up with cheese sticks in them, but make sure to fold the sides in so the cheese doesn't leak. Then onto a pan, you add some chicken stock, some gochujang, and some Korean chili powder, some brown sugar, soy sauce, as well as some crushed garlic and some sausage. Then after a few minutes, you add your rice paper rolls and mix it in really well. Then you drizzle some sesame oil along with some sesame seeds and some green onions. And that's it! Your rice paper roll tteokbokki is ready. It's super easy to make and it tastes really nice. If you haven't tried it out, definitely give it a go. Enjoy!